Hello, my name is Marisol Valencia, Chile Education student 6th semester. Today I will about my French. Today I will about my friend Fils 1834, the American engineer Jacob Perkins, present a machine that using either as the cooling flow manager to make ice. What is your function? I consist of transferring the heat from the inside to the outside, which is what you will feel in hot in your touch and what you hand on the bus needed metal purpose. What foods can we store in the refrigeration? Fresh meat, seafood, fruit, vegetable, dairy. Recommendation: to clean your frame, always remember to glue in the tie on the foot. Clean the interior with a damp cloth. You should clean the outside on the device with a cloth moistened with a softening mixture. Don't use abrasive or corrosive substance. Thank you so much.